July 5, 1957, Dr. Anugrah Narayan Singh, revered as Bihar Vibhuti, passed away. A stalwart freedom fighter, teacher, lawyer, and politician, he was instrumental in shaping modern Bihar. Anugrah Narayan played a pivotal role in India's independence movement alongside Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He served as the deputy leader of the Congress Legislature Party in the Bihar Legislative Assembly from 1937 to 1957. He became the first Minister of Finance and Labour in 1946. Anugrah Narayan's contributions extended beyond independence as he actively participated in nation building and public welfare initiatives. His demise in Patna was met with deep mourning, marked by a 7-day state mourning declared by Chief Minister. His funeral witnessed a massive outpouring of respect and grief from the people he served. The Indian Independence Act, passed by the British Parliament on July 5, 1947 and introduced on July 4, marked a pivotal moment in history. Implemented on August 15, 1947, after receiving royal assent on July 18, it was based on the Mountbatten Plan proposed by Lord Mountbatten, the last Governor-General of India. The Act aimed to transfer power from the British Raj to the natives, leading to creation of two independent nations, India and Pakistan. Under this Act, British control over Indian princely states and tribal lands was abolished, giving them the option to join either of the new dominions or remain independent. The Act also prohibited the British Crown from using the title Emperor of India and nullified all existing agreements related to the princely states. The sovereignty of the British was thus completely transferred to the newly formed states. While the Act facilitated the end of British rule and the birth of two sovereign nations, it also led one of the largest and most violent forced migrations in the history. The partition caused immense suffering, with millions of people displaced and countless lives lost. Despite the turmoil, the Indian Independence Act remains a cornerstone in the history of India's and Pakistan's independence. On July 5, 1954, the BBC launched its first television news bulletin, marking a significant shift from radio to TV news broadcasting. Initially, it was believed that a TV presenter's presence could be distracting and reveal biases, so Richard Baker read the news through audio while related footages and pictures were displayed on screen. The top story covered peace talks between India and China, followed by French talks in Tunisia. This launch paved the way for future BBC programs, including the 10 o'clock news in September 1960 and the later shows like World at One, News Review and News Reel. Nun Winton became BBC's first female newsreader. Initially, news bulletins were prepared in different studios, but by 1969, all TV news operations were centralized at the television center in White City. This transition marked the beginning of a new era in broadcast journalism.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरीफाइज नेशन।
On July 5, 1996, Dolly the sheep was born, becoming the world's first mammal created through cloning technique. Scientists at the Roslin Institute near Edinburgh, Scotland, led by Lan Wilmot, achieved this groundbreaking feat. The cloning process involved removing body cells from one sheep and egg cells from another, fusing them through nuclear transfer and implanting the resulting embryo into a third sheep who carried Dolly to term. Dolly was introduced to the world on February 22, 1997. Dolly's birth marked a significant advancement in genetic science, demonstrating the potential of cloning technology. At the age of 2, Dolly gave birth to her first lamb, Bonnie, followed by twins and triplets in subsequent years. However, in September 2000, Dolly was diagnosed with lung cancer and arthritis. As her health declined, scientists decided to euthanize her to prevent further suffering. Dolly was euthanized on February 14, 2003. Her legacy endures as a milestone in scientific achievement and a symbol of the possibility and ethical consideration of cloning technology. On July 5, 1977, General Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq led the Pakistani army in overthrowing the government of Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The coup followed accusations of electoral rigging and corruption against Bhutto's administration, which had sparked widespread protests across the country. General Zia declared that Pakistan had descended into anarchy and subsequently imposed martial law. Bhutto was put on trial, culminating in a death sentence in March 1978. Under Zia's regime, a period of Islamization began, marked by the introduction of Sharia law and a shift towards a more conservative Islamic identity. This era significantly altered the political and social landscape of Pakistan. On July 5, 1994, Jeff Bezos founded Amazon in Washington with its headquarters in Seattle. Initially an online bookstore, Amazon rapidly expanded into a multinational technology behemoth operating in e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Bezos started Amazon in his garage, investing his life savings after leaving his job. The company was named after the Amazon River to symbolize its intended vast reach. Today, Amazon is renowned for its Prime service, offering fast delivery, streaming, and exclusive benefits. It has also become a leader in cloud computing through Amazon Web Services, solidifying its position as a major player in the tech industry.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।